Hello F.L.EX.S.P.A.C.E friends! Today we're beginning our laundry series part 1 where we learn how to load a washing machine. In order to do this important life skill, we need to understand why it is important to do laundry regularly. Whenever we go about our daily lives, sweat naturally builds up in our bodies, which causes bacteria to grow. Bacteria encourages the risk of us getting sick. We need 3 things in order to do laundry: laundry detergent, dirty clothes, and a washing machine. For a little brain break, here's my cute puppy Maisie. First, we need to sort our laundry into dark clothes and light clothes. Then you're going to place your clothes into the washing machine. Then you're going to pour your laundry detergent into the laundry detergent hole in your washing machine. And don't forget to close your washing machine door. Now you're going to find the on button on your washing machine to turn it on. Now you'll be able to select whether you want to wash your clothes with cold or hot water. Now that you've decided which setting your washing machine is on, you can press start to begin washing. Make sure to do something fun and something that you enjoy while you're waiting for your clothes to finish washing.